Hey everybody, Jeff here, and with me today I've got Death Studios Chainsaw Mask, which is Leatherface from a Texas Chainsaw Massacre Part 2. Now you can get this mask at, like I said, deathstudios.com. It was $60 plus $7 for shipping. It took about a week to get. Supposedly this was developed from Tom Savini's master mold. It is a half mask. I'll turn him to show you. As you can see, it's not a full mask, it's just a mask that covers your face. But that's how it was in the movie. Now the stitching is part of the mask. It's latex, it's not real leather stitching, but I don't think it takes away from the mask. Actually, you really can't tell that it is latex. It's that well done. Now I have customized this mask since I got it. What I did to it was I added the hair on the face. All the hair you see there, that was all added by me, just to make it look a little more screen accurate. Let me know what you guys think about the hair that I added. Let me know if you think I did a good enough job. I think I did a pretty good job. I think it looks pretty cool. I love the coloring of the mask. I love the flesh tone on this side here. And then I love how it's darker on this side on the cheek, just how it was in the movie. Oh, also another thing I did that I customized was I added right here. I added this this rope. Actually, it's a shoelace, but I punched a hole there, added that, and one on the other side, right there. So you can tie the neck piece back. That's how it was in the movie also. So that and the hair are the two things I added to this. And you really can't beat this mask for $67. It is a great mask, even without the hair I added and the extra shoelace. I'm a huge fan of Part 2. I just love the look of Leatherface in that movie. But again, if you want this, I suggest you go look on deathstudios.com. Again, it's called the Chainsaw Mask. $60, can't beat it. Now let me know what you guys think about this. Thanks for watching.